Hi, very good evening, students. Welcome to video classes. I hope you all are fine. Right, all of you stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, learn well. Okay, so students, in previous class, we learnt different kinds of nutrients and components of food. Right, okay. So we know, right, living things. Okay. Today, in this class, I am going to teach you about animals. Okay. So, how these animals are classified. Okay. So, these animals also a living things. Right. All plants and animals are living things. Okay. So, a variety of animals found everywhere on earth. Right. Okay. So, to understand the word of animal better. Okay. So, to understand the word of animals better. Okay. So, we can divide them into two groups. Okay. Animals divide them into two groups mainly. Okay. Vertebrates and invertebrates. Okay. Here, vertebrates are animals that have backbones. Okay. So, vertebrates are animals with backbone. Okay. So, animals that have a backbone is called vertebrates. Okay. And next, invertebrates are animals without backbone. Okay. Animals that do not have a backbone are called invertebrates. Okay. So now let us look at the what are the example for invertebrates. Okay. Example for invertebrates are all insects, worms, and many other small animals. Okay. So more than 90% of all animals are invertebrates only. Okay. So some insects, worms are example of invertebrates. Okay. Now again let us look at the vertebrates. Okay. So vertebrates that we know, right? Animals that have backbone. Okay. These vertebrates can be further divided into five broad groups. Okay. So here first group is fish or fishes. Okay. And next group of animal is amphibians and reptiles, and next birds, mammals. Okay. So these vertebrates can be further divided into five groups. Okay. Fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Okay. Students, now let us learn one by one different groups of vertebrates. Okay. Here, first fish. Okay. So, these fishes are vertebrates. Okay. So, that live in water. Okay. So, and they lay soft shelled eggs. Okay. So, some example for fishes are shark, goldfish, and salmon. Okay. And next group of vertebrates are amphibians. Okay. Amphibians are vertebrates that can live both on land and in water also. Okay, so these amphibians lay soft shelled eggs. Okay, so example for these amphibians are frogs and salamanders. Okay. And next group of vertebrates are reptiles. These reptiles are also a vertebrates. Okay. So these reptiles crawl on land and lay hard shelled eggs. Okay. So they have dry and scaly skins. And example for these reptiles are crocodile, snakes, and lizards. Okay. Next group of vertebrates are birds. And these birds are also a vertebrates. Okay. So birds are animals with feathers and wings. Okay. So most birds can fly. Okay. So these birds have feathers and lay hard-shelled eggs, and most of all birds can fly. Okay, so example for these birds are pigeons, crows, sparrows are some example for birds. Okay, so some birds cannot fly. Okay, so some birds like ostrich, penguin cannot fly because of their body weights. Okay. And next group of vertebrates are mammals. Okay. These mammals also vertebrates. Okay. So mammals give birth to young ones and have ear and external ears also. Okay. So example for these mammals are cows, dogs, whales, dolphins, and including human beings also. Yeah, mammals. Okay, so these are the some example for mammals. So students, this is all about classification of different groups of animals. Okay, so students, in this class we learnt classification of animals, right? If you have any doubt, ask in online session. All of you should follow given worksheet. Thank you, students.